Hello. In this video, we're going to go over solving composite functions. These can get a little tricky, so let's make sure we understand these fully before, moving on to other types of problems. Composite functions. What we see here, if we look at number 3, is g open circle f of x. What does this mean? This is another way of writing g of f of x, where f of x is the new input for g of x. So we rewrite this as such first. Then we will replace our f of x. What is our f of x? Our f of x is 2x minus 2. Now, this is our new input for g. G of x has turned into g of 2x minus 2. So that means for every x that we see, we need to replace it with 2x minus 2. And that is all. We can obviously FOIL this out. We're not going to do that here, but we will distribute this out. And boom. Very, very simple if we stick with the method, right? Rewrite in our g of f of x method, right? So what is on the outside stays on the outside. The second one goes on the inside. Then replace our f of x. Then replace our x within our new input. And then we are good to go. Let's do number 4. Number 4. All right. So we have g open dot h of a. So we're going to rewrite g on the outside, brackets, h of x or h of a on the inside. Very simple. Now replace h of a. H of a is equal to 3a plus 4. Now, again, this is the tricky part. Our input for g is no longer just a, it is 3a plus 4. So let me illustrate this down here just so it's a little more clear. G of a is a squared plus 1. G of 3a plus 4 is just going to be replacing that input of a. And that is it. And you will FOIL this out and solve it through. So since this is a square, we will FOIL it out and clean it all up. So first, remember when we FOIL, we are distributing twice and then cleaning up the inside, then combining like terms at the end. So we have 3a times 3a, which is 9a squared. 3a times 4, which is plus 12a. 4 again times 3a, plus 12a. 4 times 4, plus 16. We have our plus 1 at the end. We will combine like terms. 9a squared plus 24a plus 17. Beautiful. That will be the answer to this problem. So these are not too bad as long as we continue with that method that we have just gone over of rewrite in a proper way that is mathematically more reasonable, and then replace our h of a with a quick substitution of what h of a is equal to, then change our input for whatever we plugged our h of a into. In this case, be g of a. Change our input of a in our g of a equation, and you are done. Short and sweet, and we are good to go. If there's more complicated ones you would like me to do, please send me an email. I'm always happy to do more. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.